really dark in here.
Oh, there you are. Hi, boys and girls. Thanks so much for joining me today here in the cave. What are some things that you know about when you think of a cave? Wow, those are some really good answers. I was thinking of the movie Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, how the seven dwarfs went inside of a cave and they were mining for jewels. I can also think about how bears hibernate inside of a cave. As you prepare to go on an adventure inside of a cave, there are some things to do to help you get ready for your adventure. Make sure that you have a special hat like I have on. It's a hard hat, so that if something comes from the top of the cave and hits you in the head, it's going to protect you. My hat also has a special light on it, so when I turn it on, I can see in the darkness. Caves tend to get really dark as you get away from the entrance of the cave, and so you'll be able to see. You might also want to bring a flashlight so that you can see even more inside of a cave when you turn side to side. You might see some really cool animals, maybe some water dripping down from the cave. You might see stalactites and stalagmites, and who knows what else you'll see on your adventure of your cave. You'll want to bring all these materials so you are safe, protected, and you can see things clearly as you walk through the dark cave. Oh no! Do you hear that? I don't think we're alone right now. I think I hear something like, oh no, I forgot that bats live inside of a cave. I think I need to run. I'm out of here.
Wait a minute! Come back! Please come back! I don't know why everyone's so scared of me. I'm just a sweet, innocent little bat trying to look for a friend.
Today's first challenge is a bat hunt. We are going to search a cave and see how many of these bats that we can find. Would you like to join me? Well, great. Let's go.
As you find each bat, write the number that's on the bat on a dry erase board or on a piece of paper, and then round each number to the nearest tens place. Let's review real quickly how to round to the nearest tens place. Let's look at the number 5,286. First of all, we're going to find our place. We're rounding to the nearest tens place, so that's why I underlined the 8. Then we're going to look at the number next door to the 8, which in this case is a 6. Then we're going to ask, is that number high or low? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are considered high numbers, so this number is high. Then we're going to go back to the 8 and say goodbye and change it to a 9. Finally, the ones place is going to become a 0. So 5,286 rounds to 5,290 when you're rounding it to the nearest tens place. Okay, boys and girls, here we are inside of the cave. We are searching for bats. As we find a bat, notice the number that's on the bat, write it down on a piece of paper, and then when we're done finding all the bats, we can round them. Let's start searching. Let me know when you see one. Oh, there's one bat. 4,778. Write that down on a piece of paper. Remember that we're rounding this number to the nearest tens place. Here's another one. 4,800. Write that down on a piece of paper and round it to the nearest what? That's right, the nearest tens. Oh, good job. You found that one. 4,783. Round that to the nearest tens. Oh, there's one a little bit lower. 4,775. Round that to the nearest tens. 4,756. Round that to the nearest tens. 4,785. Round that to the nearest tens. 4,789. Round that to the nearest tens. Here are all the numbers that you found while you were in the Bat Cave. So our next challenge is to round each number on the bat to the nearest tens place. And if it does round to 4,780, we're going to click and drag the bat into the Bat Cave, which in this case is the orange table. If you're not in Mrs. Taylor's class, you're going to be able to still participate. You can write it down on a piece of paper. Or maybe if you're artistic, you can make a cave and draw the bats inside of the cave that round to 4,780 when you round it to the nearest tens. Go ahead and pause the video, complete the assignment, and come back over here to check your answers. Good luck, everyone. I'm totally batty about rounding, aren't you? Are you ready to see the answer? Wait 1 minute and we will see if you got the correct answer. If you have 3 bats in the Bat Cave, you might have the right answer. The following numbers round to 4,780 when you're rounding to the nearest tens place. 4,775, 4,778, and 4,783. If you got those 3 bats in the Bat Cave, then you got the right answer, and you are batty over rounding 2.
Thanks so much for joining me today here in the Bat Cave. If you had a good time on this adventure, don't forget to click the like button down below and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on a single adventure. We'll see you next time. Bye!